What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Don here, back with another video. Let me give y'all a quick update on what's going on at the loft. This is the breeding loft we're in. As you can see, got a couple pair on eggs, waiting for them to hatch. Got two here. This is a Kenny White and a G-Loft pair babies I got in here. This is the second round. Look like we'll be getting, I don't know, maybe a Pieds, two blue bars, I don't know, looks like blue bars. This is the second round. Up here, we got the Frame McLaughlin cock paired up to Frame McLaughlin's 451. Granddaughter to the freak. This is their second round. They're looking good. This is a pretty good cock. I think his full sip nestmate might have won first in some type of race. Forgot what it was, but comes from a good line of birds. They're on two eggs. Down here we got another Frank bird. He's paired up to my Aranya Loft hen. She's a proven hen that I was told by Spidey, so hopefully I could get another nice round of babies from them. Their first round, I got two mealies out the nest. Might be both cocks, but we'll see. Down here, we got birds I got from G at G's Loft. This is their third round. The first and second round weren't fertile. They are pretty young. They're 2023 birds, maybe 22. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but this is a very nice bird. He comes from one of G's best cock birds, 273. And I have him paired up to one of his hens that I got from him. I don't know what she is, but I know she comes from something good. They are very well bred birds, so can't wait to see what they bring. I've candled the eggs, only one is fertile, so hopefully that's a special bird there. And the next one here, we got Aranya Loft's Geno Click cock. A very nice bird. I was gifted this bird by Spidey. So he's on two eggs. They've had 3 rounds so far. The first round, they got kicked out of the nest. The other bird broke the eggs. Second round wasn't fertile. This is their third round. They've laid the eggs, I think 2 days ago, so I'll give it a couple days before I candle them. But you can see he's a very nice cock bird. I love this bird. Handles great. Can't wait to see what he brings. And up here we got Mr. Featherfoot that I got from my boy G. He's paired up to my Frank McLaughlin hen, 1183. They had one baby their first round. This is their second round, and there's only one egg. I'm not sure if it's fertile or not. I'll check in a couple of days. Let's see what's going on there. That's it, guys. This is how things are looking. The weather's been terrible. It's been raining for a couple of days. The loft's getting wet, which is not great for pigeons. So hopefully real soon the new setup is coming. I don't want to start building the new loft yet. Since they are on eggs and young ones, I don't want to disturb them. I'm already kind of short on young birds, so I don't want to mess that up, but I do clean every day or every other 2 days. It's a nice hen. This is one of my first birds I bred a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago. I had let them out 5 miles. I took them on a toss for 5 miles without any training around the loft. She flew around the loft a couple times, but not enough. I thought she was ready. Took them down the road 5 miles, tossed 6 birds. Out of the 6 birds, I got her, that bird, her mother, and another bird. And that was like 3 days after, so I decided to keep her. She is paired up to Mr. Bully there, the Frey McLaughlin cock, the white flight. They have 2 young ones down here. This is their first round. Hopefully these young ones could perform, but we'll see. Only the race course will determine that. Hopefully I got some good stuff here. I'm not looking to be the best, but I do want to win some races. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. And y'all keep subscribing, liking the videos. And that'll be it. Y'all have a good one. God bless.